You guys are looking at the all-new Safety Speed 6480 20-seat panel saw packed with tons of accessories. I can't wait to show you every bit of it. If you're in a small shop like me, this is a must-have if you do a lot of plywood cut downs. Get rid of that track saw because this guy is going to take over everything. If you don't know yet, my name is Trey with Handcrafted by Trey. I'm glad you found me. Stick around and check this thing out. While installing the counterbalance, I actually was installing it in the video in the wrong place. So I had it centered, but we need to offset it to the right if looking at the front of the panel saw. I know we're on the left on the rear, but this is where it needs to be. So note that and let's get moving.